A public hearing by the full commission on Monday highlighted the 6 phases the commission will cover in the 6-month period to complete the inquiry. The full commission includes Sir Salamo Injia and John Gilmore as chairman of the commission and commissioner respectively. The commission will also consist of counsels and solicitors. However, because of the delays within the Office of the Solicitor General and the Board of the National Procurement Commission, there was no solicitor or counsel present.
We're still able to deal with preparatory work for the Commission to be able to sit in early 2020 to conduct the actual inquiry in terms of receiving evidence.
The inquiry into the 3 billion Kina UBS loan comes after a report produced by the Ombudsman Commission concluded that the leaders and persons mentioned in the findings had failed to comply with proper processes and procedures relating to laws on the borrowing of the 1.4 billion Australian dollar loan. The report named James Marape and Peter O'Neill as then Finance Minister and Prime Minister respectively to face the Leadership Tribunal.
Took this undertaking to call a commission of inquiry, knowing full well the challenges that we face. But Marape Stephen government is aware that our people have placed the corruption perception and the fight against that perception as a priority. And unfortunately or fortunately, it's going to cost us money, but that's I call that a needful expense. And of course, as you know, the Public Accounts Committee is currently conducting its duties, and they too have their needs in terms of resourcing. The police department continues to do its work, and we are going to manage these issues because our people demand it, and it's our duty and responsibility as government to deliver it.
The COI needs an additional funding of 27 million Kina, which was approved by the Prime Minister in September. This is to cover all aspects conclusively in relation to the borrowing of the 3 billion Kina loan.
The Act in this country is very clear. It restricts non-registered Papua New Guinea lawyers from holding themselves out or performing functions and duties of a lawyer without being properly certified. And that's a process that is clear, and that's, I'm aware that the Commissioner has requested, and that process is currently underway for proper licensing of non-Papua New Guinean resident lawyers or registered lawyers. So I'm happy that we do not conduct a commission of inquiry that is flawed, that is not set up and operating according to law. So,
Thakla Gunga, National MTV News.